The Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro is Samsung's latest and potentially best smartwatch yet. It's certainly pitched as the wearable companion most ready to climb Mount Everest or at least a steep hill with you. As befitting the new Pro distinction, the watch is bigger and better than the rest of the Watch 5 line, with a bigger battery, more powerful capabilities, and exclusive features. The watch generally uses this new power to add more fitness credentials with additional GPS features, including new route generators for endurance workouts and reinforced case, ensuring the 5 Pro is squarely aimed at the adventurers and athletes. Otherwise, the watch retains all its younger siblings' more holistic health kits, including improved sleep tracking and body composition, alongside great smart functionality courtesy of Wear OS, taking and receiving calls, music controls, and an Exynos W920 dual-core 5nm chipset powering the whole thing. At this early stage, it certainly seems like everything you want in a fitness-oriented Wear OS watch. The Watch 5 Pro offers a 60% bigger battery than the Watch 4 thanks to a 590 mAh battery compared to the Watch 5's maximum 410 mAh for the 44mm version. What that means in terms of the watch's time between charges is around 80 hours, essentially double that of Watch 5. However, if you are making full use of the always-on display and increased power of its GPS and activity tracking tools, we're simply not sure if that impressive figure will pass muster during testing. Stay tuned for a more comprehensive breakdown once we spend more time with the watch. After handling the watch for less than an hour, we can't tell you whether to buy or not just yet, but at a glance it looks like the best fitness-oriented Wear OS watch yet. Although it's certainly not cheap, it's clearly got the power and chops to best all its contemporaries and go toe-to-toe with the Apple Watch in terms of performance, if not quite style. With rumors of a rugged Apple Watch 8 on the horizon, it's interesting Samsung got there first with the adventure-focused Watch 5 Pro, but will true outdoor enthusiasts will ditch their Santos and base Germans in drops and embrace Wear OS? We'll have to spend more time with this watch to find out. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, feel free to share with your friends and keep watching Best Buy to get your top-notch day-to-day commodities.